You know, for quite a while now, we've been stuck getting our jobs done, interacting with coworkers, even meeting with family, friends, and other loved ones via video meeting. Not the ideal way to go, and by now we've all realized that that web camera that's on top of our laptop or that we clip to the top of our computer monitor, it works, but it could be so much more. It could be so much better. Some of us have stepped up our game and have started using our digital cameras as webcams, and some of us have been left out in the cold. I'm Kevin. I'm up in the office of the Project Cave, and I am one of those out in the cold. I am a Sony shooter, and until recently, I have been unable to use my camera natively as a webcam. Now, some people have all these crazy workarounds, and I guess have been able to do it, but it's a little complicated for me, and I don't think it looks particularly great. However, back in August, Sony released a piece of software that will allow your camera to be used natively as a webcam. Let's go over to the Sony website. I'll show you where it is. You can download it and install it and step up your webcam game. Here we go. All right. Hey, here's the Project Cave. We're over here. Let's navigate over to imagingedge.sony.net. That'll take you to this page here, and it will show you the applications that Sony has for their cameras. I used Imaging Edge Mobile on my cell phone. It's a pretty good application that has allowed me to control my camera and, you know, use my camera to help shoot and make my videos. But if we scroll down a little bit further, you come to this one, Imaging Edge Webcam. So we're going to click on the Learn More button. It takes us over to this page, and it says here it allows you to connect your Sony camera to your PC via a USB cable and use it natively as a webcam. None of these crazy workarounds that other people have tried. The camera is going to give you that lovely look that you see in film where the foreground element, that would be you, is the element that's in focus. The background sort of falls off and attention gets focused on you, and it can look really, really nice. So also, your Sony camera probably has some sort of eye tracking or facial recognition feature that will allow the camera to have the background fall off, but your face always stays in focus. And if you lean forward or back, the camera's going to follow the focus. It's great. All you're going to need is the micro USB cable or whichever size USB your camera has to connect to the computer. All right, let's go back to the top here. All right, we're going to click on the download link. Okay, here it tells you the supported operating systems are Windows 10 64-bit and Mac OS 10.13 to 10.15. Those are the ones that are supported. Down here is a list of all the cameras that are supported. So I shoot on a 6500. That is my camera. I'm going to click that one, and then the download options highlight. I'm a Windows guy, so I click on the Windows download, and that file is downloaded. I move it to where I want it installed, and then I double click on that file, and it's going to install that webcam. This is a nice feature. So if you are a Sony shooter and have been trying to use your camera natively as a webcam, this is where you need to go to get the application to do it. For me, it worked like a champ, and I am very happy with how it turned out. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think with a comment below. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave, or maybe on a video meeting. See you later.